That was a big tall tree yesterday.
They don't ever look like that. Little guys. They're heavy, yo.
Or get the chainsaw out, Chad.